How far do you agree with the view that tribunals curtail the jurisdiction of ordinary courts? In view of the above, discuss the constitutional validity and competency of the tribunals in India. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. Tribunals in India are specialized quasi-judicial bodies created under Articles 323A and 323B of the Constitution. They are established to resolve disputes in specific areas such as tax, environment, and labor. The main goal of tribunals is to provide efficient, cost-effective, and expert solutions to disputes, helping to ease the burden on regular courts. Body. Extent to which tribunals curtail the jurisdiction of ordinary courts. Specialized jurisdiction. Tribunals deal with specific subjects, allowing them to handle disputes that would typically fall under the jurisdiction of ordinary courts. Exclusive jurisdiction. In certain cases, tribunals have exclusive authority over specific disputes, limiting the role of ordinary courts. Limited appellate jurisdiction. Appeals against tribunal decisions usually go to higher tribunals or high courts, which further restricts the jurisdiction of ordinary courts. However, tribunals do not entirely limit the role of ordinary courts. Constitutional safeguard. The Constitution guarantees the right to approach high courts and the Supreme Court for enforcing fundamental rights, ensuring ordinary courts maintain an essential role. Judicial review. Tribunal decisions can still be challenged in high courts and the Supreme Court based on constitutional violations or principles of natural justice, preserving the oversight of ordinary courts. Constitutional validity and competency of tribunals in India. Constitutional provisions, Articles 323A and 323B empower Parliament and state legislatures to establish tribunals for specific purposes. Expertise. Tribunals are staffed with experts, ensuring that disputes are resolved by knowledgeable professionals. Speedy justice. Tribunals typically have less formal procedures and fewer delays, resulting in quicker resolution of disputes compared to ordinary courts. Access to justice. Tribunals can be more accessible and affordable, particularly for technical or specialized matters. Conclusion. The constitutional validity of tribunals is affirmed by Articles 323A and 323B, highlighting their competency in resolving specific disputes through expertise and efficiency. However, it is crucial to maintain a balance between the jurisdictions of tribunals and ordinary courts to ensure that litigants' rights are protected and that the judicial system remains effective and accessible to all.